everybody. Good evening. It's Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I am here with an update for T minus 29 days to Kai's wedding. So let me tell you everything that has been accomplished in the last 7 days. Very exciting. So number one, we have booked the venue, which I told you about last time. And last time we spoke, we were going to go dress shopping. So just let me tell you about what happened. So we had an appointment at a dress shop, maybe about 30 minutes from where I live. And I just wanted to start out there because that's where I actually purchased my wedding dress from. And it wasn't a great of an experience. Everyone was in the store, very nice, very kind. But the quality that I expected to see in the dresses didn't kind of match the price. So it wasn't balanced. So that will be the first thing. And I will include some pictures, but I'm not going to post the actual dress because my future son-in-law does watch my channel. And I don't want him to see the bride's dress, you know. But we spent an afternoon there, and there were some potentials, but I didn't want to jump on the first thing that we saw, even though, as you guys know, we're very pressed for time. So fast forward to the next day, which was last Sunday, and we went to our local David's Bridal. Absolutely loved it. You will not know what difference undergarments can make in the appearance of a dress. Like every dress that Kai tried on in David's Bridal, I was head over heels, but we found the perfect dress. We were scheduled for alterations on Tuesday, this past Tuesday. So the alterations are getting done. The dress will be done on June the 21st. We go back for final fittings, and hopefully everything is A-okay. I just hope she doesn't lose any more weight. She lost 5 pounds last week, so yeah, about that. I'm a little nervous, but it does have, I'll give you a sneak peek, a corset. That's all you get, corset. So hopefully because of the corset, it will allow us to, you know, tighten everything up if she has indeed lost any significant amount of weight. Not that 5 pounds aren't significant, because we will take 1 pound. We're happy about 1 pound. We celebrate 1 pound. But anyway, so that's where we are. The invitations actually came in, and I will attach a picture to this post so that you can see how the invitations are. Let's talk budget. So I am trying to plan the wedding in 30 days for less than $3,500. Now, had Kai given us a longer period of time to prepare for the wedding, then of course we would have spent even more. So let's tally up a few things. And you know how I love to just grab any happy planner paper that is lying around. We have the venue at $507. That's a steal. Okay. The dress and alterations, we're at $1,150, right? So that is putting us at a total of, we're at $1,657 with just dress and actual venue. The cake is $400, and she's getting the cake that she wants. So we're at $2,057, which roughly leaves us $1,500 for food, decorations, DJ, and photographer. Now, I will go up to $4,000. I'm willing to do that if we have to. But hopefully we don't necessarily have to do that. Anybody have any suggestions of things that we could do for a rustic chic wedding? We have begun looking at decorations, and I really want to get the caterer and the food out of the way so that we do not have you know, such a huge expense left out of there. Kai is having 2 receptions, so she's having one here in North Carolina where we live and where I consider home since I've been here for over 18 years. And then back in the hometown place where I was born, in South Carolina, she'll also be having another reception there, hosted by my parents. So I'm getting a little anxious, but this weekend I'm just gonna try to enjoy my time at the beach. So this is my beach hairdo, and just gonna try to relax and enjoy because I know when I get back, I'm totally going to be 100% immersed in wedding plans. In addition to that, the invitations did come in this week and they look great, and I'll make sure I attach that to the video for you guys. And my dress came in, and when I tell you, it is super cute, but a girl is going to have to waist train, and I did order my waist trainer today, and I'm going to waist train until the wedding to just snatch. You know, your waist has to be snatched. So I'm trying to snatch my waist for the wedding. So I'm not gonna post pictures of my dress yet, but I will post a before and after as we're summarizing things from week to week. So expectation between now and the wedding is that you guys will get a weekly update and pictures of where we are with our various plans. And I will include pictures if I have them, if it's something that warrants pictures. So the next step is the actual bridal shower. So I'm either looking at June the 16th, June the 9th or June the 16th. And I have come up with a theme, and it's called Blushing Bride. So we will have like everything rosé, like the drinks will be rosé, everything will be pink and kind of blush, and that coincides with her theme of blush, gray, and gold. So super excited. Like I say, I am soliciting any ideas that you have to help me save money and stay under budget for this wedding, because you know I want them to start their life off with no debts, and number 2 or B, I want them to have a very elegant and nice chic wedding, and we want to stay in budget. Most importantly, the budget, it's everything. So if you can suggest anything that we could do to maybe cut some costs or things that we could do for decorations. And we are doing the decor ourselves. I can tell you there's tulle, there's fairy lights, there's mason jars, there's wood, there's chalkboard, chalk paint. So we're doing a lot of the things ourselves, but anything that you could, suggestions you guys have, like I am so open, it's crazy. Other than that, that's all that's going on the wedding front, but I wanted to make sure that I jumped on here tonight, and know this is a really short video, just to let you guys know where we are and where we are as far as money that we're spending. Hopefully I can get everything done. That's the dream. But like I said, I am putting off Momzilla. I'm putting her away. I'm leaving her here in North Carolina as I go on my little weekend escapade. I'm putting her here. I'm leaving her here, and I will resume wedding plans again on Monday, where I'll start to plan the bridal shower. And in addition to the bridal shower, I'll make sure that you know, I kind of include you guys in that on the way. So once again, very excited. Momzilla's signing out. Miranda's back. And I'm getting ready to get packed and head out for my lovely getaway for the weekend. 7 years. Yay! Team Master Plan. All right, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch the update of Kai's wedding. And stay tuned for more, and have a great and safe Memorial weekend. Just a little side note and tip. The 100 Deadliest Days has begun. It actually began, I believe, on Wednesday or Thursday of this week, but it's a period of time where there is a lot more fatalities in the teenage, young adult age group, about a 15% increase. So make sure you know that you're preaching to your young people that just got their driver's license or off in college. Hey, put those seatbelts on, go the speed, and never drink and drive. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Ciao, bellas.